Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a question on Quora. First, navigate to the specific question you wish to remove from the platform. You can find your questions by visiting your Quora profile page. Look for the Your Questions section to locate the item you want to delete. Ensure you are logged into the correct account before proceeding with any changes, as this is a crucial initial step in the process. Once you have found the desired question, look for a small icon usually represented by 3 horizontal dots. This icon is typically located in the upper right corner of the question box itself. Clicking these 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several available options for managing your content. Carefully review the options presented in this menu, as it contains the pathway to initiating a deletion. This is a crucial step for accessing further actions. Within the drop-down menu, locate and select the option clearly labeled Delete Question. After clicking this, a confirmation window will appear, asking you to confirm your decision to remove the content. Read this prompt carefully to fully understand the implications of permanent removal. Confirm your choice by clicking Delete again, and your question will be immediately removed from Quora. The process is irreversible once confirmed and completed. Remember that deleting a question is a permanent action and cannot be undone once confirmed. If you are unsure about permanent removal, consider editing the question instead of deleting it entirely. Editing allows you to rephrase or clarify your question without losing any existing answers or valuable engagement. Think carefully about your intent before committing to permanent deletion, as there is no way to recover it after. This ensures you make the best choice for your content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.